Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to work with Smart Split Screen template for Final Cut Pro X. After installation this preset on your Mac, you can find it here in Titles Smart Split Screen. First of all, you need to select this window, Show or Hide Titles and Generators sidebar. Here you can find 35 templates separated by categories. I will show you how to work with each of presets. I will take a single preset from category, and you could make analogical settings with different templates from same category. So first of all, I need some stuff in my timeline. Here I have some footages and I drag and drop it on the timeline. This is the basic situation. You make your own editing and you need to make some split screen. First of all, I need to explain you how to work with some timing. If you have footage, you need to import. If you want to use it with specific point of start, you need to make compound clip. For example, I do it for this clip. I make in and out points and make new compound clip. Call it new compound clip. Okay. Now I have cropped compound clip. Okay, but turn back for our timeline. I'll back to the titles and generators, and I'll show you how to work with each of the category. I'll start with classic category, drag and drop title above your video, and here you can find how it looks like with basic JPEG image called drop zone. Yeah, you can change duration of it, or you can make some adjustment here in inspector. First of all, build in and build out. This is for animation, so if you don't need animation, you only need the split screen itself. Just turn on or off these checkboxes and you can hold mainframe. So with this checkbox you'll get animation without moving mainframe. But for me it is interesting to move mainframe. So let's import some source, some pre-compound source. I make my compound clip and drag and drop in drop zone. Turn back to look how it looks like. And now I can adjust some position using on-screen controls here. For example, I need this woman in the center. Maybe I want more scale. I need this image a little less than it was in the beginning, less than half of the screen. And with this image I'll do the same. I could drag and drop this OSC only in horizontal position, and I did it. I need this girl in center. When I change any of these settings, you can see that some settings here change too, because you can change it here in inspector. Sometimes it's more simpler, or if you want to make fine-tuning, it's better to work here. But for now I use only OSC, and here I can work with border width and I can change color of border. Also, I can change background color. I explain you what that means. If I change it now, it's nothing happens. But if you have specific size of your drop zone, you will have the empty zones here. And if you have some empty zone, here you can find some empty spaces. Yeah. And these empty spaces could be filled by color you select. But it's not matter for now. I'll turn back for our first result. Yeah, I think that's great. And now, let's see how it looks like. Yep, that's great. This line is turning down smoothly. It's only with this render it looks like it's hard, but no, it's turning down smoothly. So also same things you could make with all classic templates, with all classic scenes. In 3D Door it's pretty same as here, as classic, but it's a little bit different effect. It's a 3D effect, but as you can see, settings here are pretty same. I don't need to explain you how to work with it. Graphical elements. These elements emitted some brush effects. Here it's only some brush stripes drawing randomly. It looks like randomly, and if you change the drop zone here, I'll show you how it will looks like. Also here only OSCs for moving drop zone itself, or sorry, on the template itself. To move drop zone, you need to work directly inside of inspector, like that. You can change scale, position, and rotation. And other settings are the same. The next presets are pop-up elements. It's the best feature for some comments if you want some screenshot from YouTube videos, some maybe some funny comments you want to show to your audience. The fast way to do it is to use these types of smart split screen scenes, but I will show you how it looks like at first. You have point of start and point of finish. Each point have scale and position settings. So as you can see, let's change some content for our prepared content. Okay, looks like that. Yep, absolutely the same settings except background opacity. Here you can adjust this fade of your main video. Leave it with 0% if you don't want to fade it. And also the background color, it's for drop zone itself, as in previous and previous preset. This is the background which colorized the main frame. Next category is the X-ray. This effect looks like some beveled circle, also with drop zone. Here you can adjust the size of the circle and the position. To work with drop zone position, you need to adjust it here in inspector. You don't have OSC for it because it's hard to match it with this OSC of the circle, and you need to import some stuff. I'll show you how it looks like. Here it is. And the last category is zoom. Here are the templates with several drop zones. You don't have any OSC here because it fixed in its resolution. You only could work with border width and make some position and scale adjustment with drop zones. Also here you have zoom for only one drop zone. It looks like that. Here much more adjustment. This is the camera adjustment, as you can see. Also you have adjustment of each drop zone, so you can make effect like this, turn it back, you can change background color, and so on. Interesting thing, you could combine any of templates as you want. For example, right slide and up slide. It will look like that. Now it's not adjusted, but at first I could adjust some settings here, some settings here. Could import some stuff, drop it into drop zone. Can make some adjustment in scale and position. So now you have the best result. I hope you like this project. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and bye bye. See you later. Don't forget to follow my channel. New projects will come soon.